Controlling layer display. Layers typically work the same in model space and in paper space. So the on, freeze, color, line type, line weight, plot style, and plot settings are really global layer settings. And they work and they apply everything equally to model space and paper space. And we can go up into our layer manager and layer properties here, and you can see here that all these are showing up from left to right, on, freeze, lock, and they all work the same in paper space or in model space. You can freeze them, but we have some new ones here that are new VP freeze, and some of these other ones you'll have to scroll and you'll have to move the headers to see these, but we all have VP freeze. We have new VP freeze, new VP color, VP line type, VP line weight, VP transparency, VP plot style, etc. So we have all these new ones over here. And I'm in paper space right now, but if I go in model space and I go back, you'll see that when I scroll across, I don't get all those. I only get new VP freeze. So essentially, we get what's called layer property overrides, and we get those mainly when we're in our layout tab. We get those new ones, and essentially we can improve our ability to draw or view anything we want or reuse our content. So for example, VP freeze, we can make each viewport whether or not we want it frozen or thawed. And so we can end up really using more of our drawing content more effectively when we can have it on in one and off in another. We could have it one color in one and another color in another one. So even though we drew it once, we could show it with different colors in each viewport. We could have it on in one view and off in the other viewport, or frozen in one and thawed in the other. So we can use these layer property overrides, and they're found when we're in our layout tab, and when we go into our layers property manager, we will find, and you'll probably have to scroll all the way to the right, you're going to find all these additional layer property overrides, and you might have to play with the headers a little bit, but these will help us control and develop our ability to manage our layers even more effectively with each viewport, so we can control each viewport individually of all the layer properties we want to see.